Hello guys, how are you all? How are you? I hope you guys are doing absolutely safe and sound, and so are everybody in your family. My name is Pritesh Joshi. I'm your host, your host, and a proud master teacher from Vedantu, welcoming you to this amazing session. Now just give me 1 minute so that I just take the mic near me so that you guys can clearly hear me and see me, and also I won't have to shout. And apart from that, just to look a little bit better, I will wear my specs. Yes. सो मेंटी होता है क्या पूछ रहे हैं हमारे शिखा मैडम. तो शिखा, मेंटी इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म where you get to play live quiz with the teacher, so you can just open Menti on your mobile while you're watching the video. Now so first of all, we are beginning a new chapter today, and it is the beginning of a new week, and the lockdown is little bit relaxed in Bangalore, and I'm super happy. But then yes, we need to take care, we need to not step out unnecessarily, and we need to take all the precautions, right? Now, so that was first announcement that we are starting a new lesson. Second announcement is that the lockdown is a little bit lifted in Bangalore. Third announcement is that the reason why the class did not happen at 11 and why it is happening at 9 o'clock. It is because I had to take a family member for the vaccination. By fluke, I got a slot today. I was really struggling very hard to get a slot for my family member. And finally, I got a slot, and so I had to take for the vaccination, and that is why I could not take the class at 11. So, but then it's okay. We are meeting at 9 and it's live. So we are meeting live on 14th of June at 14th of June at 9 p.m. right? So welcome to this session, guys, and do remember about the Vedantu improvement promise that if you learn with me, if you decide that I want to learn with this guy every day and have fun in the class, you're not making an expense, you're making an investment. And if you don't see an improvement in your score, you get your entire fees back. Even Amir Khan says that, right? And even I'm promising that live on this platform. So just go to vdnt.in/ytpro, select your grade, select your target exam, enroll with Vedantu, and do not forget that you are an Indian. So you need a discount code, and the discount code is PJPRO, which gives you a flat 10% discount. So let's learn together, grow together, and evolve together with me and with Vedantu, right? Now, let's begin the session. And they say that the best feeling of happiness is when you're happy because you have made someone else happy. Now, when we talk about happiness, I recently read a quote by the great Kiran Bedi, who had her birthday recently. She is the governor of Pondicherry. She is the first IPS officer, the first female IPS officer of the country. She has received so many rewards in her life that the class will like go on for hours and hours, but I cannot stop talking about her. One of the persons whom I really admire a lot, one of the person from whom you can learn a lot, the great Kiran Bedi. Now, Kiran Bedi said that you should be happy without any reason, because if you're happy with a reason, that reason can be taken away from you. But when you're happy without any reason, nobody can take away that from you. So let's be happy always, whether you have a reason to be happy or whether you don't have a reason to be happy. Just let's be happy, let's spread happiness, right? Happiness unlimited, and learning also unlimited with Vedantu, right? Now, you're not supposed to sleep. Thoda sa ruk jao, Samar Singh. Do not forget to follow me, the happy person, on Pritesh_Vedantu on Instagram. I've already got more than 1,555 followers. Let us at least cross 2,000 by the end of this month. So I want all of you to follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. That's my Insta handle. Today morning I had put a post on my Insta. I put a story, good morning, wishing all of you good morning, and I got so many replies also. So I tried to reply to how many were I could. To others, a very good morning from Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu, and let's begin. And do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free of cost. And also share this video with your friends and your school WhatsApp groups. And when we talk about microorganisms, friend and foe, what do you mean by a microorganism? The word microorganism itself tells us that these are organisms that are very, 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 very itusa, which you cannot observe or you cannot see with naked eyes. Neither with the specs, you cannot see them. To see a microorganism, you need something called as a microscope, right? So microorganisms are the organisms which you cannot see with naked eye, neither with a microscope. you need to see them with a, you cannot see them with a magnifying glass. You need to see them with a microscope. So microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. Apart from that, microorganisms are also called as microbes. Microorganisms are also called as microbes. Now I want all of you to tell me that do you know which is the place where you get the maximum amount of harmful microorganisms? Tell me, do you know the place where you get the maximum amount of harmful microorganisms? Think about everything. Think about a public washroom. Think about your home's washroom. Think about a mobile phone. Think about, a sewage. Think about a dustbin. Can you tell me where do you get the maximum amount of harmful microorganisms on this planet? Junkyard. Some people are saying junkyard, toilet, soil, human body, garbage, dustbin, dirty and wet place. Okay, to your surprise, you will be really amazed to know that the maximum number of microorganisms are found on number 1, door handles, and number 2, menu cards. Yes, this is according to a study under research. It has been proved that door handles and menu cards of restaurants, they have the maximum number of disease causing microorganisms present on them. Not even your toilet seat. Yes, that's true. So be careful. That is why we promote sanitizing your hands regularly and washing it with a liquid soap at least for 20 seconds. Right? With that, we move on further and we discuss about the introduction to microorganisms. So microorganisms can be seen with the help of a microscope. And the 5 types of microorganisms are virus, algae, protozoa, fungi and bacteria. Okay? These are the 5 types of microorganisms. Microorganisms are of 5 types: bacteria, algae, fungi, virus, protozoa. Okay? 5 types of microorganisms. Let us begin by learning about bacteria. So bacteria are single-celled organism with a cell wall. Very important. Bacteria are single-celled organism with a cell wall. Okay? Bacteria can be autotrophic or they will be heterotrophic. Apart from that, bacteria lives in colonies. Even though it is unicellular, it lives in colonies. It divides by multiple fission. Bacteria will divide. Bacteria are both harmful as well as harmless. If I talk about some harmful bacteria, we have got bacteria like Salmonella typhi, which causes typhoid. We have got Vibrio cholerae, that causes cholera. We have got Mycobacterium tuberculosis, that causes tuberculosis, right? Then we have got useful bacteria as well, like Lactobacillus. Lactobacillus is a bacteria which helps us to form curd. I have a question for you. Do you guys know which is the bacteria that is both harmful as well as harmless? Quickly tell me in the chat, do you know the name of the bacteria which is both harmful as well as harmless? Which is both a friend and a foe? Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. A bacteria which is both harmful as well as harmless. Jaldi. No, Lactobacillus is only harmless. It's not harmful. Yeast is not bacteria, my dear. I'm sorry, but yeast is a type of fungi. Okay, super important. The type of bacteria which is both a friend as well as a foe. A type of bacteria which is both a friend as well as a foe is E. coli. Escherichia coli, also called as E. coli. Research about it. That how it is both harmful as well as harmless. Find out and let me know in the next class. Now when we talk about the shapes of bacteria, we have got different shapes. We have got spherical shape, rod-like shape, spiral shape. We have also got comma-shaped, right? Comma-shaped bacteria bhi hota hai. So these are the 4 types of bacteria: spherical, rod-like, spiral and comma. These are the 4 different shapes of bacteria. Okay? Chalo. Now let us move ahead and let us learn about fungi. Fungi are organisms which are saprophytic and parasitic in nutrition. They are saprophytic as well as parasitic, which means fungi will feed on the dead and decaying like mushrooms. The monsoons are here and you will see mushrooms all around you. But please be careful. Never, 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 big capital never, never ever touch a mushroom if you don't know about it, because mostly mushrooms are very, very harmful and toxic. They can even be, life threatening. They can even be lethal. So please don't touch a mushroom if you don't know about it, right? But what do you mean by the word saprophytic? The ones who feed on the dead and decay. And fungi are also parasitic. Fungi cause diseases. Fungi cause diseases, but fungi are useful as well. For example, mushrooms. We eat mushrooms. Yeast, as you all said, yeast is used in the wine industry, in the bakery industry. But there are harmful fungi as well, like the fungi which causes ringworm. Remember the ad of Daat Khat Khujli? That is ringworm caused by fungi, right? So that is about fungi. They are both harmful as well as harmless. Then fungi also spoils the food, like bread mold. They will infect the food. Fungi also spoils organic matter like leather, clothes, books by infecting them. So fungi are both useful as well as harmful. And now we talk about the next type of microorganism, that is algae. Algae are plant-like microorganisms. They live in water and they are green in color. Because they are green in color, they can easily carry out photosynthesis because they have chlorophyll. And when they have chlorophyll, they can do photosynthesis. So algae are plant-like structures living in water carrying out photosynthesis. Do you know there is an algae which is highly nutritional for human consumption? Do you know about the name of the algae that doctors advise you to eat in the form of tablets? Do let me know. I'm not going to tell you everything because I want you to remain curious and find out about it. So I'll give you a hint. There is an algae which is highly nutritional, having lots of vitamins in it, and doctors advise you to take it in the form of tablets. The name of the algae starts with S, ends in A, and it is not Spirogyra, right? Spirogyra is a type of algae, but this algae, the healthy algae which we should eat, it is not Spirogyra. Find out about it, right? So Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra are the examples of algae, and there is one more algae which is very, very healthy which you should eat, and it starts with S, ends in A. Find out and tell me. Streptomycin. Streptomycin is an antibiotic. It is not an algae, so it's not streptomycin. Okay, Bajaj Tushi, you are absolutely right. The answer is, even Avail is right, right? It is spirulina. Very, very good. Super good. एक clap तो बनता है. Spirulina is an algae which is very, very nutritional, and doctors advise you to eat a tablet of spirulina, which is very easily available in the pharmacy stores, and it is highly nutritional. Research about spirulina, why is it so nutritional and what are the health benefits, right? With that, we move on to the next type of microorganism, that is protozoa. Now, protozoa are microscopes. They are microscopic organisms. They are microbes which move. They can move around. They have got a flagella. They have got pseudopodia. They have also got cilia. They have got different ways of movement. So, what is the special characteristics about protozoa? That they can move around. Example of protozoa are paramecium, amoeba, and euglena. Do you know what causes malaria? What causes malaria? Quickly. What causes malaria? Quickly tell me what causes malaria. What causes malaria? Quick, very quick. I'm waiting. What causes malaria? Yes, it is the mosquito that causes malaria. But how does mosquito cause malaria? So there is a protozoa. And the name of that protozoa is, okay, so I write it over here, is Plasmodium vivax. Plasmodium vivax is the name of the protozoa that causes malaria, and it lives in the mouth of female Anopheles mosquito. And when this mosquito bites a human being, it will put the plasmodium in the blood of the human and cause malaria. So malaria is caused by a protozoa, that is Plasmodium vivax, who lives in the mouth of female Anopheles mosquito. And when this mosquito bites a human being, the plasmodium enters the blood and causes malaria. What causes dengue? Dengue is caused by a virus. I don't think I need to tell you anything about virus because the entire world is only talking about a virus. That is the novel coronavirus and COVID, right? So viruses are something which are neither living nor non-living. How does this work? Let me tell you. Virus, when it is in the atmosphere, it is non-living. It cannot do anything to anyone. But once the virus enters the body of an organism, now that organism can be human, organism can be animal, or organism can be plant. When the virus enters the body of an organism, it suddenly starts living. A non-living entity like a virus, when it enters the body of a host, it becomes living. It not only becomes living, it starts multiplying and it infects the organism. And that is why neither you can call virus as living nor non-living. It is on the border. It is on the border of living and non-living. Because it is non-living outside, living inside the host. And I don't think I need to tell you any example about virus. You have the coronavirus, the HIV, the hepatitis, right? Even the flavivirus that causes dengue. Dengue is caused by the Aedes mosquito. But the causative agent is flavivirus, F-L-A-V-I. Flavivirus is something that causes dengue, right? So that were the 5 types of microorganism: bacteria, fungi, algae, protozoa, virus. These are the 5 types of microorganisms, right? With that, we move on further, and let me tell you that if you want to learn with me in the same and a better manner, where I can see you, you can see me, when I can hear you, you can hear me, where there is an interaction between both of us. It's not just I am talking and you are looking a YouTube video. It's an interactive platform where I can see you, you can see me, I can talk to you, you can talk to me, I can hear you, you can hear me, and there is so much of fun and learning in the class. If you want to experience that level of learning, if you want to experience the best form of online learning, then you should join my class, because my class is where learning and fun both are unlimited. It's not a platform where I just go on teaching, where I just share knowledge. No, it's a platform where we discuss ideas, where we explore, and where we evolve together. So if you want to join my class, here is a glimpse of what I do in my classes. You get my own handwritten notes, you get the quizzes to play with me, and you are also rewarded not only with this task but also my punchlines, right? Like easy peasy Japanesey. So guys, if you want to join my class for grade 8, we have got the Vedantu Pro Lite subscription. That is costing rupees 2700. But because I love you so much, I am giving you a special discount code PJPRO. When you use this coupon code PJPRO, you just have to pay rupees 2430. And if you are willing to buy it for the entire year, the cost is rupees 24,500. But if you use the code, the cost becomes 22,049 rupees only. And how do you buy this? How do you buy this and what do you get in this? So this is for CBSE. This is for CBSE, in which you are getting 4 subjects. All live, right? You are getting 32 classes per month. Along with that, you get the doubt solving live in the class. You get the tests, assignments after every session. You get my own handwritten notes. You can watch the replays of the class how many ever number of times that you want. You get access to more than 5,000 micro courses in Vedantu. You get anything and everything that a student can ever ask for. You also get a revision plan. So anything and everything that a student can ask for is available for you at vdnt.in/ytpro. So just go to vdnt.in/ytpro, use the discount code PJPRO and start learning. Let me just show you quickly. Let me just take you through that in just 1 minute. So when you type vdnt.in/ytpro in the search bar, you will land on this page. Over here, you need to select your grade 8. You have got three options: CBSE, ICSE, and Maharashtra Board. Suppose CBSE I am selecting. Over here, you have got three different plans: Vedantu Light, Vedantu Classic, Vedantu Premium. In Light, you get live classes, test series analysis, assignments, notes, doubt solving during the class. In Classic, you get everything plus doubt solving on the mobile app from morning 8 o'clock to night 11 o'clock. And in Premium, which is my most favorite, you get a personal mentor. Yes, you're getting a genie of yourself. You are getting a genie for you for everything. Whether you have a problem in managing school and Vedantu, the genie will help you. Whether you have a problem in balancing classwork, homework, the genie will help you. Whether you have a problem in solving assignments, genie will help you. Whether you have a problem in solving school projects, the genie will help you. रात को नींद नहीं आ रही, genie will help you. सुबह उठने में प्रॉब्लम है, genie will help you. डाइट नहीं बैठ रहा, genie will help you. भाई क्या चाहिए? The genie will help you. Genie will help you with anything and everything that you want, and that is why the genie comes with an additional cost. So if you see, the Vedantu Pro Lite is for rupees 27,000, Vedantu Classic is for 38,500, and Premium is for 54,000. But you just need to click on View All Offers and you put a coupon code PJPRO over here, and when you apply, ta-da! You get a 10% off, and all the costs have come down. And now you're getting a discounted price. Okay? This has become 34,000 and this has become 48,000. Right? So costs have reduced. You just need to go and enroll. Right? So you're getting all these 4 subjects, and you can also see your entire timetable over here. See, you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fours are 32 classes in a week, in a month. 32 classes in a month. Everything live. So remember vdnt.in/ytpro and PJPR. Okay? Chalo. Now let us go back and let us see the batches. So guys, from next Monday, that is 21st of June, batch for grade 8 CBSE starting. So if you want to learn with me, go and enroll. PJPRO, your discount code. Right? This is for the classic and premium classes. Premium batches are starting from today, 14th of June. So if you haven't enrolled now, just go and enroll right now. PJPRO use karo, 2,400 is not a very big amount. Pay karo and start learning. आज first class हुआ है, and next the classes are going to start for ICSE on the 5th of July. We also have ICSE for graded 5th July. The next batches going to start. Right? So guys, this is the Menti code. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 90275123. 90275123 is the code for the Menti. Just go to www.menti.com and use the code 90275123. That's the code for the Menti. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Quick. Come on, come on, come on. Hello Harsh, how are you? चलो चैप्टर नहीं हुआ यश, अभी तो बहुत बाकी है. हेलो हर्ष. यस अहमद, आई वेट. जल्दी से ज्वाइन कर लो. जस्ट गो टू www.menti.com, यूज द कोड 90275123. कम ऑन. Come on, come on. Pinky, yeah. So I have an infinity tattoo on my hand. It says love and life. Rishabh, just go to www.menti.com. Put the code 90275123. Okay? Chalo. Now I just wait for 250 students and then I'll start the Menti. Come on, call all your friends, man. Come on, let's play together. It's a beautiful Menti waiting for us. Hi, Via. Thank you so much. God bless you. Welcome Harish Patel. चलो 250 हो गए. So let's start the Menti. Ready? चलो जल्दी से Menti करके फिर हम खाना खाने जाएंगे, right? चलो. So Menti is coming on your screens. So there are 7 questions and these are the wonderful prayers. We have got more than 270, 280, 290. चलो 300 करके start करते हैं. ठीक है? 300 हो जाएंगे तो we'll start. चलो चलो चलो. Yes, done. Starting the first question. First question for all of you. Living organisms which are invisible to the eyes are called super easy question. They are called particles, molecules, microorganisms, or none of these. The organisms that you cannot see with naked eyes, which are very, very small in size. Super easy question. Super, super easy. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Answer, answer, answer. Very good, very nice. Chalo. Great. The answer is microorganisms. Absolutely right. They can be seen with the help of a microscope. And on the super leaderboard, the superstars for today are Khushbu, Janil, Metal, Saloni, Ashay, Bill, Mitrava, Vand, Veer, and Shivangi Soni. Okay. Very good. Khushbu, you are the fastest. And बहुत सारा टाइटा apple pie है. Let's move ahead and see what the future of this Menti holds today. So, the next question coming on your screen. Question number 2. Start. Question number 2 pe we have got easy peasy Japanesey. Spirogyra is an example of. Spirogyra is an algae, fungi, protozoa or bacteria. What is Spirogyra? The green color plant-like organism which does photosynthesis. Chlamydomonas is also a type of the same microorganism. It lives in water, green in color, plant-like, and carries out photosynthesis. Come on, 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 to the radio. It's Monday night and I won't be long. More than 180 students are correct. It is algae. So algae is the example of a Spirogyra is an example of an algae. Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas, Spirulina, they all are algae. Okay? Moving on to the super leaderboard. The superstars for now are Khushbu, Veer, Shubhangi, Mitrava, Sitara, Mohammed. Love you too, dearest Mohammed. God bless you always. Krishna, Bhavna, Anvesha, and Veer. Khushbu, you are the fastest, and we have got a tie apple pie between Mitrava, Sitara, and Anusha. We also have a tie between Anvesha and Krishna. And Mohammed, love you too once again. Thank you so much. You made my evening. Thank you. Chalo. Moving on to the next question. Question number 3, which is absolutely free on your screen now. Come on, go for it. Go, go, go. Come on. Mushroom, which is white in color. It's saprophytic and parasitic. It is an algae virus, fungi, or none of these. What is mushroom? What is yeast? What is bread mold? What is mucor? They are saprophytic and parasitic, white in color. They do not do photosynthesis. They feed on the dead and decaying organic matter. What are they? Come on, super easy. बहुत ही इजी है. क्या बात है. चैट में तो मतलब ऐसे सुनामी आ गई है. जल्दी से. Very good. The answer is super good. It's a fungi. It's a fungi which is neither a plant nor an animal. It's a completely separate group of organism. You will learn in your grade 9 the first chapter, diversity in living organisms, about the 5 kingdoms, that is Monera, Protista, fungi, Plantae, Animalia, in which you will learn about fungi. Okay? Chalo. With that, we move on to the super leaderboard with the superstars. Khushbu, Shubhangi, Anand, high five, fist five. Mohammed, love you too. Mitrava, Sitara, Krishna, Sharvari, Shivangi, Vand, and Shadow Fighter. Shubhangi, Anand, high five. Dear, how are you? Chalo. Khushbu, you are the fastest once again. क्या बात है, मतलब बहुत ही बढ़िया चल रहा है यहाँ पे कुछ. And Shadow Fighter and Shivangi, you are the fastest. Sorry, you have a tie apple pie. And we also have a tie apple pie between Shivangi, Mohammed, and Sharvari. Chalo. Let us go to Fantastic Four. Fantastic Four question coming on your screen in 3, 2, 1. Shoot. What is a vacuole? Ritu, vacuole ka spelling vacuole. It is empty spaces in the cell. Amoeba belongs to the same set where your Paramecium, Euglena, Plasmodium vivax that causes malaria. It belongs. These are the organisms that can move. They have got pseudopodia, they have got flagella, they have also got cilia in certain cases. They are the organisms that can move and cause diseases, algae, fungi, protozoa or virus. Come on, come on, come on. Super easy, super easy, super easy, super easy. Because of the temperature, Ria, because summers mean the temperature is warm and humid, the perfect temperature for microorganisms growth. 233 students are correct. It is protozoa. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena are protozoa. And we have got Khushbu, Krishna, Sharvari, Muhammad, Ravi 2, Mitrava, Shadow, Preranan, Akshita, Mahi and Shovik. Khushbu, you are the fastest. We have a tie between Shadow Fighter and Muhammad, Ravi 2. We also have a tie between Akshita and Shovik. Chalo. With that, we move on to absolutely fantastic life and our question number 5. So on question number 5 for the day, we have got that microorganisms are also known as, what will you call microorganisms? You will call them yeast, microbes, virus or amoeba. What will you call microorganisms? Yeast, microbes, virus or amoeba? Super easy, super nice. Ritu, what are pathogens? Pathogens are disease-causing microorganisms. Pathogens are disease-causing microorganisms. The germs which cause diseases are called pathogens. Very good, very nice. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Very good, very nice. रात को खाओ घी दाल and rice. चलो, बहुत बढ़िया. क्या बात है? More than 300 students are correct. Super good. Microorganisms are also called microbes, but what are pathogens? Pathogens are disease-causing microorganisms. Like, you will not call rhizobium a pathogen because rhizobium helps in nitrogen fixation. But you will call Salmonella typhi as a pathogen because it causes typhoid. Right? So pathogens are disease-causing microbes. Moving on to the super board with the superstars. And कुकर की सीटी बज रही है. खुशबू, शर्वरी, कृष्णा, मोहम्मद, लवी 2, प्रेरनन, माही, शौविक, श्रेया पटेल. Hello Shreya, Mohit and Tamim. Prernan and Khushbu, you both are the fastest. Khushbu is leading the leaderboard with a very very high margin, but this also can be beaten. And Mohit and Shreya, you guys are having a tie. Prernan and Khushbu, you are the fastest. Chalo, let us fix the question number 6 on your screens now. Come on, quick, quick, very quick. Rhizobium is a type of bacteria. Bacteria are dash organisms. Bacteria are multicellular or unicellular. What are bacteria? They live in colonies. They can be autotrophic or heterotrophic. Salmonella typhi, Rhodobacter, Azotobacter, Cyanobacteria, blue-green algae, Salmonella typhi, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, Vibrio cholerae, Lactobacillus. They all are examples of bacteria. But what are bacteria? They fall under the kingdom of Monera when you will learn in grade 9 diversity in living organisms. The first kingdom, Monera, has bacteria in it because they are unicellular prokaryotes. Yes, bacteria are unicellular prokaryotes. Very very nice. Chalo, bacteria are of 4 shape: spherical, rod shaped, comma shaped and spiral shaped. And on the super board we have got Khushbu, Krishnan, Prernan, Muhammad, Shovik, Tamim, Mohit, Avni, Saloni, Harshit and I think सारे नाम मैंने ले लिए. Khushbu, you are the fastest and we have got a tie apple pie between Shovik and Muhammad. I love you too. Thank you so much. Chal. And let us move on to the directly from heaven question number 7. Chalo. Question number 7 on your screens now. Amoeba is a protista, Nihal. It's a type of a microorganisms. What are the simple plant-like microorganisms called which do photosynthesis? जिसका example is Spirogyra, Spirulina, Chlamydomonas. Is it algae, bacteria, both or protozoa? Very very easy peasy, right? Chalo, we will learn about blight disease, about the citrus canker, foot and mouth disease, tuberculosis, anthracis. We will learn about everything when we discuss harmful microorganisms, right? चलो 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 पंकज, क्या बात है, बहुत हंसी आ रही है, हमें भी बताओ, हम भी हंसें, because laughter is the best medicine, so let's spread it with everyone. चलो, more than 300 students attempted, but 149 are correct. Then plant-like microorganisms are algae because they are green in color. And on the super board we have got Khushbu, Muhammad, Mohit, Tamim, Elsa, Vant, Mitrava, Ananya, Shravani, and Prachi. Khushbu, you are the fastest, who is also the winner of the quiz. Congratulations, Khushbu, not Neha. I remember your full name. So great job, super good. All of you did amazing. Whether you answered in the quiz or whether you answered in the chat, all of you did a great job, and I'm super proud of you. And I will be meeting you next Monday with the second part of this chapter. But on Sunday, a surprise video is coming for all of you, and you're going to be super happy about it, right? So stay tuned for that. Until then, we come back to the slides, and let me tell you that if you have enjoyed this video, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to Vedantu Young Wonders. It's absolutely free of cost. Right here you can see the subscribe button. Click on it and there you go. You're done, right? Share this video with your friends, and do not forget that I will be waiting for you in my regular classes. So if you want to learn with me in detail, word and word of your NCERT, go to vdnt.is/ytpro and use PJPRO, which is the discount code that I'm giving you all. So I'll be seeing you really soon. Until then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed. Have a great time. Stay home, stay safe. Good night, take care. Bye-bye. God bless you all.